everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. As you progress with the braid, make sure that you make a tightened form. Do this on both the sides, join it at the back and add a rubber band to it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, repeat the step, and now taking the second section, pull it through the first section. Taking both these sections, pull it through the braided portion of the hair, gather it all together in a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, and now lift it up into a bun as you can see. On top of this, you may add a decorative butterfly clip to it to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, move towards the right side. Now divide the hair into 2 parts, taking the left side, pull it through the top right side section. Now gather all of the hair together, divide the hair into 3 parts, make a braid out of it, roll it up and then pin it up onto the top left section. Add decorative pins all around it as such. You've added these flowers to it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself. Now take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now taking the second section, pull it through the first section as such. Gather all of the hair together, tie it up in a low ponytail, divide this into 2 parts. Now taking the left section of this, pull it through the top section as such, that is the top left section. Twist it and then insert it into place, pull it through. Now taking the right side section, pull it through the top, and now bring it on through the other side. Join it together and then make a braid out of it, lift it up, and then fasten it in its place. Add a decorative butterfly clip on top of this. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, add a rubber band in the middle. Once again, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Pull it through the top. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, add a rubber band in the middle section, and now roll it in on itself and pull it through. Make 2 braids at the bottom, roll it upwards, and now fasten it in place using a bobby pin. You may also use decorative pins on top of it or through the side in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, and now roll this ponytail in on itself and tighten it. Once you are done with this, divide this ponytail into 2 parts, taking the right side of it. Begin to make a braid out of it. Now divide the hair into 3 parts to begin with, and now keep separating it as you progress, and now make it a different kind of braid. As you keep dividing it, make sure that you have 4 portions of the braid as you go on as such. As you continue with the braid, keep leaving out a section of the hair from it. Now taking all of the sections that you created, make another section out of the ponytail, and now begin to braid it. Continue to do the same steps on this as well, where you leave out sections of the braid. This will help you connect it with the next set of braids that you will be making. Now, as you can see, we have included the previous sections into the new sections of the braid. Now, once you're done with this, add a rubber band at the bottom. Continue the step until you reach the last section of it. Now, after you're done with this is what it should begin to look like. For the last one, you may just tie a rubber band to it. Once you tie a rubber band to it, this is what it should begin to look like, and then make sure that you tie the rubber band at the base of the scalp. Join all of the braids together, and now tie a ponytail out of the hair. Roll this upwards into a bun, and use a decorative butterfly clip in order to fasten it in its place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Now add a low ponytail to the hair, roll the hair in on itself through the section as well. Divide this into 2 parts, make a braid out of each of these parts, roll it and lift it upwards as such. Now use a decorative pin to it in order to fasten it at the top. Do this all throughout in order to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching.